Hello everyone and welcome to today's lecture on information technology management. Today we will learn how businesses manage technology, the main IT functions, and the skills of a good IT manager. Let's begin.
Let's start with a simple question. What is IT management? IT management is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling an organization's technology resources. This includes three main things. First, hardware and software, such as computers, servers, and applications. Second, networks and data, like the internet, storage systems, and information. And third, people, both the IT staff who maintain the systems and the end users who use them every day. The main goal of IT management is simple. Make sure technology supports the business goals safely, efficiently, and at a reasonable cost. For example, think about a hospital. The IT manager there must make sure patient records are always available, kept secure, and backed up every single day. If the system fails, doctors cannot access important medical information, and that could be dangerous. Now, why does IT management really matter? Every modern organization depends on technology to function every single day. Let's look at 4 reasons. First, efficiency. Automated systems save time and reduce manual errors compared to doing tasks by hand. Second, security. Good IT management protects company and customer data from cyber attacks. Third, collaboration. Technology connects teams across different offices and even different countries, so people can work together easily. And fourth, innovation. Strong IT management enables companies to create new products, services, and even new business models. Without effective IT management, none of these benefits would be possible. IT management includes 6 key functions. First, infrastructure, managing servers, networks, and devices. Second, security, protecting systems and data from threats. Third, support, helping users solve their technical problems, for example, through a help desk. Fourth, projects, planning and delivering new IT systems on time and on budget. Fifth, data management, organizing and storing information safely so it can be found and used later. And sixth, strategy, aligning technology decisions with the overall goals of the business. A good IT manager needs to balance all 6 of these functions at the same time. Let's talk about IT governance and strategy. Governance means making sure IT decisions follow clear rules and support the company's objectives. This usually happens in 4 steps. Step 1. Set goals. Define what the business actually needs from technology. Step 2. Plan the budget. Decide how much money to invest and where to spend it. Step 3. Assign rules. Make it clear who is responsible for each system or project. And step 4. Review the results. Measure performance regularly and adjust the plan if something is not working. This is a continuous cycle, not a one-time task. Now let's look at IT project management. A project is different from daily operations because it has a clear start, a middle, and an end. For example, building a new mobile application or upgrading a company network are both projects. Every IT project usually follows 5 stages. Initiate, where you define the goal. Plan, where you schedule tasks and set the budget. Execute, where the team actually does the work. Manager, where you track progress and fix problems. And close, where you deliver the final result and review what happened. Of course, IT projects also face common challenges, unclear requirements from stakeholders, budget or time overruns, poor communication between teams, and resistance to new technology from staff members
who are used to the old system. A good project manager plans ahead for these challenges. One of the most important responsibilities of IT management today is cybersecurity and risk management. IT managers must protect their systems from threats such as viruses, hacking, and data theft. Let's look at 4 common risks. Phishing emails are fake messages that trick people into sharing their passwords or personal information. Malware is harmful software that damages or steals data from a computer. Weak passwords are easy for attackers to guess or track, which is why companies now require strong, complex passwords. And data breaches happen when someone gains unauthorized access to private information. Preventing these risks requires training employees, using strong security tools, and creating clear company policies. Let's move on to cloud computing, which has changed IT management dramatically in recent years. Instead of owning physical servers, many companies now rent computing power over the internet. This brings 3 major benefits. First, access anywhere. Employees can work from any location as long as they have an internet connection. Second, lower cost. Companies no longer need to buy and maintain expensive hardware themselves. And third, scalability. Businesses can easily add or remove computer resources as their needs change without buying new physical equipment. A well-known example is Netflix, which uses a cloud service from Amazon Web Services instead of running its own private data centers. What skills does a successful IT manager actually need? We can divide them into 2 groups. On the left, technical skills, understanding of networks and systems, knowledge of cybersecurity basics, familiarity with the cloud platforms, and data analysis skills. On the right, soft skills, which are just as important, clear communication with non-technical staff, because not everyone understands technical language, leadership and team management, to guide the IT team effectively, problem solving under pressure, since technical issues often need to be fixed quickly, and strategic thinking and planning to connect technology decisions with the long-term business goals. The best IT managers combine both technical knowledge and strong soft skills. Let's summarize what we have learned today. First, IT management aligns technology with business goals. Second, it covers infrastructure, security, support, and projects. Third, good governance and a clear strategy reduce risk for the organization. Fourth, cybersecurity and the cloud computer are now essential topics that every IT manager must understand. And fifth, strong IT managers combine technical skills with soft skills like communication and leadership. Thank you for your attention. Now let's open the floor for your questions.